Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. If you're searching for a powerhouse action camera that delivers cinematic performance in a rugged, compact form, it's time to meet the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Essential Combo. Whether you're an extreme sports enthusiast, daily vlogger, or casual weekend explorer, this camera is ready to go wherever your story takes you. At the heart of the Action 5 Pro is a 1.3 image sensor, a major leap in low-light performance and image detail. Combined with DJI's advanced image processing, it delivers 4K video at 120 fps, giving you buttery smooth slow motion and crystal clear real-time capture. Whether you're mountain biking, snowboarding, or free diving, you'll capture every second in incredible clarity and speed. This cam is built for creators on the move with ActiveTrack subject tracking. Your focus stays locked, even during intense motion. Whether you're filming yourself or your crew, it tracks movement flawlessly and keeps subjects centered in frame. Dual OLED touchscreens on both the front and rear make vlogging, framing, and playback effortless. Bright, responsive, and built for outdoor use, these displays give you full control without the need to constantly switch to your phone. Durability: the Osmo Action 5 Pro is waterproof right out of the box up to 18 meters without a case, making it the ultimate travel companion. Whether you're hitting waves, diving, or caught in a downpour, this camera keeps rolling. Stabilization is world-class thanks to DJI's RockSteady and HorizonSteady technologies, which keep your footage level and shake-free, even on rugged trails or turbulent terrain. Add in superior audio pickup, wind noise reduction, and this camera becomes an all-in-one content creator's toolkit. In the essential combo, you get the core gear you need to hit record and go. It's compact, intelligent, and wildly powerful, perfect for sports, travel, YouTube, or just documenting life. Ready to elevate your filming game? Check out the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Essential Combo through the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more of the best tech in 2025.